Hello, I encountered this lock. The fastest way to unlock. I just see this little square. Take a tool and press it hard here. Then the three numbers are rubbed back and forth like this at the same time. Rub, rub, rub. Just rub it until this small square is obviously connected. Press this unlock button directly and push it forward. You can open it. This number is the password.
When encountering this kind of lock with high precision, 95% of people couldn't find the notches and grooves and the gaps with light. What can be done then? I will teach you how to operate it now. Find an aluminum card like this, and we cut it at right angles like this. Then do it like this. Each number is tested from scratch. Find its depth. The first one is the position without gaps. No. One is also relatively shallow. No. So no. No. 3, no. Neither number 4, nor number 5, nor number 6, nor number 7. Number 8, this position is a little deeper. Let's test number 9 again. This number 9 also has depth. Normally its notch position is between the two numbers. We take its big number and leave it. This is a number associated with the password. The other two numbers follow the same method. Discover its relevant depth. These are my two adjusted positions. This way, find a correlation between the three numbers. Then tell the master the digital password. We can quickly crack the code for you.
So what do we do if we come across a lock that has hard to find grooves? We need to prepare a tool, this aluminum foil that we commonly use for medicine tablets, and trim this part down. We'll use this pointed end as a makeshift blade. Insert this pointed tip into the groove on both sides of each digit and scrape it down as if using a chisel. If you feel smoothness while scraping and you don't sense anything like a groove, then there's likely nothing there. Move on to another number. Next, let's try scraping number 8. I'm scraping it here, and I don't feel anything, indicating nothing is there. Now let's move on to the number 7. As you can see, when scraping around the number 7, I feel a noticeable hitch and can even hear a sound. Although some grooves may be shallow and might not produce the sound, your hand will definitely feel it. Once you find the corresponding grooves for 3 numbers, these are the ones related to the code.